Hello kids, welcome to today's maths class and today we'll do factorization. In the previous chapter, we have learned how to find the product of two or more algebraic expressions. In this chapter, we shall learn to reverse of the above process, where we shall find the factors of the given algebraic expression. First is factorization. The method of expressing the given algebraic expression as the product of some number and algebraic expression is called the factorization. For example, 5y square can be written as 5 into y into y. The factors of 5y squares are 1, 5, y and 5y. Clear? So, all these are factors of 5y square. Next is method of common factor. If the different terms of the given expression have common factors, then we are to take out the greatest common factor, also called the highest common factor or HCF. Firstly, we introduce the concept of HCF in detail. We will study HCF in part 2 of this book. HCF of two or more monomial, that is equals to HCF of numerical coefficient multiplied by HCF of literal coefficient. Clear? Where HCF of literal coefficient, that is equals to the product of each common literal and variable raised to the lowest power. Now, I will take an example. Factorize the following: 4x square plus 20. So, we have to factorize it. 4x square plus 20. So, what we will do? हम common लेंगे इन दोनों टर्म्स में. सो वी कैन टेक आउट 4 एज अ कॉमन. सो 4 से अगर हम फर्स्ट टर्म को डिवाइड करेंगे, व्हाट वी गेट x स्क्वायर. सो विल राइट x स्क्वायर हियर एंड 20 को अगर 4 से डिवाइड करेंगे विल गेट 5. सो राइट 5 हियर. सिंस द GCF 4 और 20 इज 4 मीन्स ग्रेटेस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर इज 4. सो उसको हम बाहर ले लेंगे और उसको फैक्टराइज करेंगे. सो ये जाएगा 4x स्क्वायर प्लस 5. Tips. Multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. Next is factorization by regrouping the terms. In certain expression, it is not possible to take out the single common factor from all the terms of the expression. In such cases, we rearrange and group the term so that each group has some common factor. Now, I will take an example. Factorize the following: x square plus 7y plus xy plus 7x. So, now what is the solution? X square plus 7y plus xy plus 7x. So, we will write it like this: x square then xy plus 7y plus 7x. Now, in these two, what is the common factor? That is x. So, we'll take it out. तो क्या बच जाएगा? x plus y. Then, in these two, we'll take 7 as a common. y plus x is left. Same as x plus y. So, two factors हो गए. एक तो x plus y and एक x plus 7. So, this way we will factorize. Tips. If the middle term is positive, then the identity to be used is x plus y to whole square equals to x square plus 2xy plus y square. Next is exercise 12a. Find the greatest common factor of given terms. Terms are 4x, 2y and 12xy. So, little factor का जो 4, 2 and 12 में जो greatest common factor, that is 2. So, 2 is the greatest common factor of these terms. Clear? So, you have to practice all the questions. We will move to next topic. Next is factorization of quadratic trinomials. A quadratic trinomial is in the form of a square plus bx plus c. There are two types of the quadratic trinomial. Type 1. When the trinomial of the form x square plus px plus q, where p and q are the elements of L. Let x plus a and x plus b be its two factor. Then x square plus px plus q, that is equals to हो जाएगा x plus a and x plus b. So we'll write it like this. So ये हो जाएगा x square plus ab x plus ab. So p equals to क्या हो जाएगा? p किसके equal है? a plus b के, and q equal है ab के. So it can be written as x square, ये किसके equal हो जाएगा? p. So px plus q. Clear? Thus we find two integer a and b such that their algebraic sum p equals to a plus b and the product q equals to a into b. Next is type 2. When the trinomial is of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are the element L, we find two integer by trial whose algebraic sum is b, the coefficient of the x, and the product of ac, the product of coefficient of x square and the constant term. Split b into the sum of those two integer and make the factors by grouping and taking common factors out of the usual. Also clear from the following examples. Now we'll take an example. Factorize x square plus 7x plus 12. So here what we'll do? Find the two integer whose sum is 7 and product is 12. So इस तरीके से factorize करेंगे. So we have to find the two integer whose sum is 7 and product is 12. So what it could be? 3 into 4, that is 12, and 3 plus 4, that is 7. So we'll write x square plus 7x plus 12 as x square plus 3x plus 4x. तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 12, 3 into 4 12 होता है, और ऐड करेंगे तो क्या जाएगा? 7 plus 12. Now in these two we'll take x as a common. So x plus 3 हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे 4 ले लेंगे इन दो टर्म से, x plus 3. So two factors हो जाएंगे. एक तो कॉमन हो जाएगा x plus 3 जो दोनों में, and another is x plus 4. Clear? Next is exercise 12b. Factorize x square plus 5x plus 6. So we have to factorize it. So we have to find two integer whose sum is 5 and product is 6. So as we know, 3 into 2 is 6. So I'll write x square plus 3x plus 2x plus 6. Now in these two we'll take x as a common. So x plus 3, and here in these two we'll take 2 common. So we'll get x plus 3. So one common factor. So एक common factor हो जाएगा x plus 3 and another is x plus 2. So two factors हो जाएंगे x plus 3 and x plus 2. So this way we will factorize it. Clear? So you have to practice all the question of this exercise. We will move to next topic. Next is division with the help of factorization. We'll take an example. Divide m square minus 14m minus 32 by m plus 2. So what we have to do? m square minus 14m minus 32 को divide करना है m plus 2 से. So m square minus 14m minus 32 can be written as m square minus 16m plus 2m minus 32, because अगर इन दोनों का सम करें तो क्या होगा? 14 and multiply करेंगे तो we'll get 32. Now again इसको factorize करेंगे, we'll get factors m minus 16 and m plus 2. Now we will divide this factor by m plus 2. So ये से कट जाएगा and m minus 16 is answer. Clear? Next is exercise 12C. Divide by using factorization and identities. First is 7x square plus 14x by x plus 2. So, first what we'll do? पहले इसको factorize करेंगे. Take 7x as a common. What is left? X plus 2. Now we will divide this by x plus 2. So x plus 2 से x plus 2 cut हो जाएगा and we'll get 7x. That is the answer. So you have to practice all the questions of this exercise. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.